Welcome to the new course blog for the Historical Forces track. On this blog, you'll be able to find inspiration for future assignments, explore the diverse historical knowledge and understanding of your classmates, and find resources helping you interact as effectively as possible with the course syllabi. This is part 1, the blog. If you've taken history courses at Minerva before, you're familiar with the previous course blogs. This year, we've combined all courses into one blog, dividing the courses using categories and tags, which makes it important for you to use them properly. I'll walk you through the new interface, showing you all of its nice features. The first thing that'll greet you is the homepage, where you'll find the search bar and a grid of the latest posts. In the menu, you'll find the rest of the pages. The blog features all assignments ever posted on this blog. Each thumbnail states the author, as well as the course and assignment it was written for. Clicking of either of them will bring you to the specific grid for that author or category. Courses features links to all posts, sorted by course and assignment name. This is useful if you're looking for examples of a specific assignment and advice on how to write it. The map showcases the geographic spread of topics and interests in the history courses. Clicking on a pin will show you a title, its author, and date posted. Zoom in using the handle on the side or by double-clicking where you want to zoom in. The clusters show particularly popular spots of interest, and you can find the specific posts by zooming into them. LOs features a word cloud of LOs used. Good for exploring examples of how others have used the LOs and in which context. Resources features helpful documents, videos, and resources for your learning and understanding of material and tools, and a Twitter feed by prominent historians, selected for quality by your history professors. Navigate this page best through the table of content next to the Twitter feed. So now, get started on posting your assignments or give others a read, and let us know if there's anything we should add.